it. Bring me back.
Good afternoon. Just had us lunch. Tuna and rice once again. Look how far Tomo is now. Looking good in it, that. This wall's done. Over at this side. It's always got me in it. Tom's got an itchy eye. He's got hay fever. Don't suffer from hay fever, so I don't believe in it. You've seen this morning, put this in. Which is nice now, taking shape. So I've just got that section to put in there, and then I'm going to start working round down here. I'm in sunshine. First time on this job, in sunshine. Over there, it's just shaded. I'm in sun. Which is good, it's good. So, he's laying. I'm laying. We're cracking on. It's happening. It is happening. Catch you soon. Right, so we're done once again. The back of mine is killing. Lifting these blocks, man, absolute killer. Just got a few twinges today, so I was like, right, that's it. Tyler helped me do a gobbo. Tyler lift it on. I'll just fine tune it, and then I went for go sort out a quote in van for a gate and a fence, so it was nice and quick. And yeah, Tyler and Tom were around here doing wall. Tom jumped onto the wall, and then he just went, no, do it like this, 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 and this. Boom, did it. That's what you want, innit? That's what you want, so I'm happy with that. But the wall's done. Down here, slight incline here, not much at all. But I mentioned it the other day actually. But this wall, I think here is probably at height. So when it gets back to like, I can't do it with my hand. When we get back to like here, we're gonna put that way, this way. We're gonna put a return over there anyway. However you point that way. But yeah, like I said on my Sunday recap, weekly recap that I do on a Sunday, invest in yourself, get your back right, keep going to a chiropractor even though you're fixed. Once you're fixed, invest in yourself. Massive. Couldn't think about being, I'm in Shard though, to be fair, but I couldn't think about worse, being at home all the time, doing my head in. But yes, I'll see you all tomorrow. This wall will be finished tomorrow. The patio area up there will be finished tomorrow. Yeah, he's just got cuts up there, that's it. His blades have just gone blunt, so he started just putting full ones in and getting through it all. But yeah. But yes, see you all tomorrow, 8 o'clock, sharp.